How to find out who sent NGL messages. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to find out who sent NGL messages. To start, open your NGL application in your mobile device. In here, copy the link, then click on OK. Now, you can close your NGL application. In here, open your Instagram application. Click on the plus sign in the center to create a new post. Now, tap on the three dots on the upper right, and then click on Add Link. In here, paste the link coming from NGL application. Then, tap on Done. Then you will see a sticker that says ngl.link. For now, post the story as is. Then, wait for your friends to send a reply over at your NGL story. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right and then view your story. In here, tap on the link. A pop-up will appear redirecting you to the NGL link. This will now redirect you to NGL link. In here, you can send the person an anonymous message. Then click on Send. Once done, close Instagram and open your NGL application in your mobile device. Now tap on Inbox. Then in here, click on the message. And then in here, you will see the message coming in from your friend. Tap on the button who says, Who sent this? Now, to know the sender information of those over who answered on your NGL, you will need to subscribe to NGL Pro so you will know who the sender is. Now the other way will be an eyeball figure. Whoever saw your story first most likely could have answered your NGL question, and then they are most likely the ones to send the first message over to NGL link. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.